What's up guys, this is Rico here. I'm here to do a bike check. First off, we have the Fly Montana 2 bars. Then I have the Primo Annihilator top load stem with stock fit forks. Then we come down to the front wheel. I have an Odyssey P-Light tire and then a Primo 7 Series laced to a demo. Then we come down the middle. I have the premium gutter shark frame, and then I have the fit stitch seat. Then I have the fit, I forget what they are, but they're fit cranks, not stock. Then I have the E-clat, sprocket, Colt chain, animal pedals. Then for the back, I have a salt tire. Then I have the Primo Remix laced to a Primo 7 Series, and then I have both stock pegs.